Welcome to Water and Mold Remediation. We are here to provide help to all local Florida residents. We are experts at handling all your water damage problems. Water damage restoration is a critical process that addresses the aftermath of broken pipes and flooding. When water damage occurs, it is essential to act swiftly to minimize the potential for further destruction and mold growth. The restoration process typically involves water extraction, drying and dehumidification, cleaning and sanitizing, and restoration of damaged items. Water extraction involves removing standing water using pumps or water vacuums to prevent further structural damage and mold growth. Drying and dehumidification are then carried out to remove excess moisture from affected materials, preventing the growth of mold and mildew. Cleaning and sanitizing surfaces are vital to remove any potential contaminants that may have come into contact with the water. Finally, restoration of damaged items, such as carpets, walls, and furniture, ensures that the affected area is returned to its pre-damage condition. As water damage restoration professionals, we have the expertise and equipment to effectively restore your property and mitigate further damage caused by water intrusion. We work with insurance companies to help take the financial burden off of you. Call us for a free estimate at 727-870-6653. Let's get your home of office to like new condition. Ryan of Water and Mold Remediation will personally answer all your questions and give you a free estimate. Call 727-870-6653. We hope to talk soon.